always the allopathic salts. Homeopathy cannot, it takes time. It is good for chronic diseases. My animal needs prompt treatment. It's not going to be cured, just by homeopathy. Can you elaborate that how strong the homeopathy medicine is?
No, this is absolutely wrong. As I mentioned, that it's a misconception that it's
Yeah.
a slow process. It's a wrong. As I mentioned earlier, time required for the cure and treatment. It depends upon the patient and when he or she approaches the doctor.
Yes.
Right? Then severe, when it comes to severe chronic illness, will definitely require time for treatment. But early the timely the patient reaches out to doctor, the lesser the time homeopathy takes.
Yes.
And so it's not that it takes time. It works within hours.
Yes. And this is the myth, because most of the people think it will take weeks to basically, the
No, no. This
medicine
is,
point.
this what happens when, unfortunately, I'll say sadly, people approach homeopathy after trying a lot of pathy. So
Yeah.
that's the
Popping the
primary disease,
yeah.
the primary disease. Then comes the secondary disease, which is caused due to the other medication. Then the third disease.